Hello, today's topic is about Firewalla VPN Server. Firewalla VPN Server allows you to run your own VPN service inside your home. It's meant to be used while you are away from home. When connecting to Firewalla VPN, it allows you to surf the web just as if you were at home. You can securely access your home devices like surveillance camera, NAS storage, smart doorbell. Best of all, it's free. No monthly fee or additional charge. Now let's talk about what it cannot do. This is not the traditional VPN service where you use to hide from your service provider. Also, for all non-US users, you cannot use this service to bypass Netflix restrictions unless you have a Firewalla at home in the US. How to configure the Firewalla VPN server? First, open the Firewalla app. Click the VPN server icon, swipe the button to enable the service, and let it guide you through the setup process. Step 1. Configure port forwarding. If your router has UPnP disabled, Firewalla will need you to manually set up port forwarding on your home router. After the port forwarding is set up, this step will be shown as complete. Step 2. Install VPN client. Tap on the install link to download the OpenVPN app from App Store. Step 3. VPN client setup. Click Download OpenVPN profile, then select Copy to OpenVPN. In OpenVPN app, import the file we just copied and add it to the profiles. To connect to the VPN server, you must be outside your own network. Type in the password shown in Firewalla app when asked. You can see a VPN symbol shows up on the status bar of our phone. It means VPN is successfully connected. You can now surf the internet with all the traffic encrypted and tunnel to your home network. If you are having problems connecting to Firewalla VPN server, please do following checks. If you just installed Firewalla, it may take up 1 hour to have the DNS entry propagated. To use Firewalla VPN, you will need to have a public IP address from your ISP. Most people will not have this problem. Firewalla relies on something called UPnP to set up a connection with your router. If you have that disabled, you will need to do a manual port forwarding on your router. And lastly, double NAT. In case you have a router in router mode, Firewalla is connected to the second router. You will need to port forward from your first router to your second router. You can find detailed information of these checks in our troubleshooting guide. If you have any questions or suggestions, just email us at help@firewalla.com. Thanks for listening.